So breathe into a moment of meditation, just a moment today for your practice. By the power of the sweet spirit among us, may our practices be quickened. May our ability to be mindful be expanded right here and right now. May we always stay humble and kind. May we be the birthplace of transformation for ourselves, our communities, our world. May we breathe into the truth that God is love, and this love is everywhere present, and no thing stands against this love. This love moves and works through all creation, all life, bringing forth the highest good possible. We stand in this love that we are. And breathe together in the sacred silence. By the power of this practice, may all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know we're born blessed and here to be a blessing. May all beings know their divine birthright and honor that divine birthright in others. And so it is. Namaste.